Flames are raging, while iron and steel are surging. Here is the most important supporting base for our national industry development. Hammers over the anvil, well-tempered and forged. Here is the high-level equipment manufacturing base of China. Refines its technique throughout its lifetime. This is the powerful backbone of national technical innovation. Cultural inheritance, a time-honored brand. This is the most vigorous and prosperous equipment manufacturing giant. Tongyu Heavy Industry. To build itself to be a national brand after being thoroughly tempered. In Shandong, China, a beautiful and rich place, Tongyu, a new star of high-level equipment manufacturing industry, is rising up through its advanced manufacturing process and excellent product quality. Tongyu is now shining brightly in high-level equipment manufacturing industry in China and throughout the world. After over 20 years of diligence and progress, Tongyu Heavy Industry Company Limited was built up to a large modern enterprise group engaged in all kinds of business, including heavy equipment research and development, manufacturing, energy, mining industry investment, and modern logistics. With total assets of 6.4 billion RMB and net assets of 3.7 billion RMB, the company owns 9 subsidiary companies. Yucheng Tongyu New Energy Mechanical Casting Limited, Changzhou Jinan Metallurgical Equipment Limited, Xinyuan Thermal Power Company Limited, Tongyu Mining Investment Limited, and Shandong Xinjiang Materials Limited, etc. Moreover, Tongyu have opened offices in Asia, Europe, North America, etc. They have sized up the situation in a turbulent era. The rapid development of Tongyu clearly shows the successful rise of a national brand. To become the rising star by developing through science and technology. Basing all attentions on development, Tongyu always concentrates upon its prospect. Driven by science and technology, Tongyu constantly gains everlasting power. The company has established a provincial enterprise technology center, an engineering technology research center, possesses 5 national new key products, 24 patent rights, and has won 13 items of scientific and technological achievements at or above the provincial level. The self-developed and manufactured 12,000-ton hydraulic open die forging press has undergone 6 innovations in China based upon large press design techniques and filled gaps in 2 areas worldwide. Therefore, the comprehensive technical level comes up to an advanced standard. The company successfully developed the ultra-low carbon-control nitrogen stainless steel 316 LN large ESR ingot used for manufacturing AP1000 nuclear power main pipe. The heaviest up to 83 tons solves AP1000 nuclear power electric slag ingot localization problem and rapidly underwent industrialization and production and provided key material to nuclear power equipment manufacturers such as China's First Heavy Industries, China National Erzong Group, etc., for coming into the 3rd generation nuclear power field and promoting the construction pace of our country to 3rd generation of nuclear power. The self-developed F91 large forged T-piece is a key component of the ultra-supercritical generation unit. The first manufactured piece was supplied to Sanxi Zuquan Power Plant, which broke through the situation that this kind of product was heavily dependent on importation, therefore opened a new way in national energy construction. Tongyu is certified and approved by ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, OSAS 18001 Occupation Health and Safety Management System, Military Industry Quality Management System, and gained ASME Nuclear MO Certificate registered certificates for boiler and pressure vessel forgings and licenses for producing pressure pipeline components, as well as certificates from 8 shipping classifications: BV, ECCS, DNV, ABS, LR, GL, KR, and NK have been obtained. The Testing Center of Tongyu, approved by CNUS, owns more than 80 sets of various advanced testing equipment, such as direct reading spectrometers made in Switzerland, ultrasonic flaw detectors made in USA, digital universal testing machine, impact testing machine, Zeiss universal microscope, and Gleebly thermal testing machine. To gain brand superiority, one must give technology priority. Based firmly upon technology, Tongyu Heavy Industry stands like a giant in China and looks to the whole world. Superior quality comes from fine work. First-class technology based on first-class equipment. World-class equipment creates world-class products. Smelting top grade, forging superior quality, machining the best is a fundamental principle in Tongyu's heavy approach to run our business and set the quality benchmark in this industry. For smelting, Tongyu owns 2 sets of 50-ton, 100-ton electric arc furnace, 3 sets of 50-ton, 150-ton ladle refining furnace, 3 sets of 50-ton, 150-ton VD/VOD furnaces, and 10 sets of vacuum pouring equipments from 50 tons to 450 tons, with ingot maximum weight of 450 tons. Tongyu has the ability for producing a water-cooled special steel slab with maximum weight of 75 tons, and 6 sets of single-phase and 3-phase ESR furnaces of 20-ton, 30-ton, 40-ton maximum ESR ingot 80 tons. The Heavy Cast Iron Workshop can produce 50,000 tons casting per year, while the Steel Casting Shop could manufacture carbon steel, alloy steel, and stainless steel castings with maximum weight of 400 tons. The Advanced Resin and Sand Iron Casting Production Line with intermediate frequency induction furnaces of 60-ton, 20-ton, and 10-ton can produce all kinds of gray iron, ductile iron, vermicular iron, alloy iron castings and anti-wear, corrosion castings, heat-resisting castings. The typical grades are HT350, QT400-18, QT350-22AL, QT800-2, RUT420, chrome molybdenum copper castings, and phosphorus chrome castings, which are used in machine tool, wind power, large internal combustion engine, mining, metallurgy, and petroleum machinery industry, maximum weight 150 ton. The 12,000-ton open die forging press, equipped with 450-ton manipulator and 550-ton forging crane, is the most complete and automated forging facility in China. Additionally, the company owns a set of 3,150-ton and a set of 1,250-ton open die forging press, and another 6,000-ton press, which have undergone construction specifically designed for manufacturing crankshafts. For heat treatment, Tongyu has 60 sets of natural gas furnaces and electric furnaces. The longest car bottom furnace is 25 meters. The deepest vertical furnace is 30 meters. For machining facilities, our company has 5-axis linkages CNC planar type milling boring machine center with a size of 6 meters by 20 meters and W260, W200, W160 4-axis linkage CNC floor type milling boring machine center from Parma, Italy, CNC roll grinder with bearing weight of 250 tons, size 3 by 18 meters, CNC double column vertical lathe, bearing weight 300 tons with a diameter of 10 meters, CNC heavy-duty horizontal lathe, bearing weight 300 tons, 4.5 by 18 meters, CNC heavy-duty horizontal lathe with bearing weight 260 tons, size 3.5 by 28 meters. This heavy equipment over 320 sets indicates that the machining capacity of Tongyu ranks among the first class in China. Dependent upon the excellent equipment and advanced technologies that they pursue, they are supplying quality products and making each type of them specialized and proficient. Tongyu has become the largest manufacturing base of wind power main shafts and ductile cast iron pipe molds of Asia. As one of the leading manufacturer of heavy castings and forgings, the company is capable of providing key castings and forgings for industries of metallurgy, mining, power, shipbuilding, petrochemical, ocean engineering, aerospace, etc., such as large rollers, pressure piping, rotors of large steam turbines and generators, marine shafting, large crankshafts, pressure vessel, internal combustion engine castings, etc. The products are exported to over 30 countries and regions of the world. Tongyu established long-term cooperation with Chinese famous companies such as Shanghai Electric, Dongfeng Electric Corporation, Harbin Electric Corporation, Xinqing Pipes, Saint-Gobain, Guodane United Power, Dalian Huari Heavy Industry, NGC of China Transmission, CN Power Gearbox Company Limited, etc., and with world-famous companies such as GE Energy, Siemens, Vestas, Sulzon, TD Power Systems, Alstom, etc. To establish its career with exquisite workmanship and great care. To gain superiority through innovation and to build a famous brand by technology, March 8, 2011, Tongyu was listed in A stock market on Shenzhen Stock Exchange. In the future, with perfect corporate governance structure, innovation systems, and outstanding sales team, the company will go on paying back its investors and society with stunning performance. This is an enterprise that integrates quality with honesty. This is a field that courage is generated by technology. This is an age where the future is born by wisdom. A prospect and dream becoming a time-honored enterprise. We are on the way to build a century-old Tongyu. Carrying forward the cause harmoniously, a trend of innovation has been growing inside. Full of enthusiasm, firm confidence, Tongyu will set sail to its magnificent goal, to become a time-honored brand with cultural inheritance.